Understanding the phrase, monkey up, a comprehensive guide. Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore together, monkey up. This phrase might sound a bit quirky and confusing at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, monkey up, is a colloquial expression, and it's not something you'd find in formal English. It's made up of two words, monkey, which is a type of primate, and up, which is a direction. However, when these two words come together, they create a phrase with a meaning that's a bit different from what you might expect. Monkey up generally means to mess up, damage, or ruin something, often because of careless or poor handling. For example, if someone tried to fix a computer but ended up causing more problems, you might say they monkeyed up the computer. It's important to note that this phrase can sometimes be seen as informal or even slang, and it might not be understood by everyone. It's also worth mentioning that some people might find the phrase offensive or insensitive due to its association with monkeys and the potential implication of clumsiness or foolishness. Now, let's look at some examples of how to use monkey up in sentences. I tried to fix the printer, but I think I just monkeyed it up even more. Don't let him touch the project. He has a tendency to monkey things up. I hope the mechanic didn't monkey up my car when he was fixing it. As you can see from these examples, monkey up is used to describe situations where something was made worse by someone's intervention. It's crucial to know the right context for using phrases like monkey up. Given its informal nature, it might not be suitable for professional or formal settings. Additionally, because of its potential to be seen as derogatory or insensitive, it's important to be mindful of the audience and the setting in which you choose to use this phrase. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, monkey up. We hope that this video has helped clear up any confusion and has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of how and when to use this expression. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice, so don't hesitate to try using new phrases in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.